In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix servers cannot process your request in College Football 27. The first thing you're going to want to do is check on that head coach. So open up Ultimate Team first, go to My Team, Lineup, and then Strategy or Visuals. If the head coach slot is empty, you need to equip one. If a coach is already selected, remove it, back out to the lineup saves, and then return and equip it again. From here, you need to remove any recently added chemistry boost or strategy items or upgrades from your active players. This is just a temporary fix. If that doesn't work, go ahead and create a completely new lineup. Choose an empty roster instead of copying your current one. Select generate best lineup. And after creating, enter practice mode, run exactly one play and then return. And this is going to force the roster to sync again. Also, go and check your specialists and backups, so remove any duplicate player versions, and then keep the total lineup under 53 cards, and then fully close the game, connect your console to a mobile hotspot, relaunch, test it, and then of course go ahead and then switch back to your normal internet. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.